Hello everyone, welcome to my How to Write Chinese Character lesson. So today we're going to learn for the lesson 13. Okay, so let's try the first word for today. It is 日, 日. So 日, it is like the sun. So first one, 日, 日. First step, this. Then basically we're going to do almost like a square, but before we close it up, we write one more short line here in the middle, and then to close it. So this is 日. It could be for the date of the month, for example, 3月3日, so the 3rd of March, or 3月10日, 10th of March. You can say 日 or you can say 号. So both way work. So this is 日. Okay, then let's write one more time. Okay, and then. Okay, there's one word that is very, very similar to it. Instead of one line inside a square, then we have two lines. So that means ice. 木. So same steps, and then we put two short line in the middle. That will be one time and two times. Okay, and then to close it up, this is 木, 木. So for example, if I want to write the word ice, the first I have a radical 木, and then I write things on the left, or I say things on the right. So for this one, you don't have to know how to write it today, but I just want to make one example. This is 眼睛, so which means eyes. 眼睛, eyes. Okay, then that you see the radical, which is on the left part, it is a 木, which means eye. So two ways, but most frequent we use 眼睛 as eye, not 木. 木 is like kind of medical way that you will say 木. Okay, next word. 习. 习. Actually, we did mention this word instead of the example words for the half enclosure structure. So, but here it is as one character that we can write and recognize. So let's write it one more time. So one thing here, and then one dot, and then rising. So 习, 习. Okay, so let's write one more time. Okay, this is 习. Great. Then let's see the radical that we learned today. Well, there you go. First one, it is 日 as the radical. So 日字旁. 日字旁 is name of the radical. And then example word, which is 明. As you may know, 明 can be the word inside of 明天, yeah, 明天. So 明天 is tomorrow. Then let's write, this is 明. Let me write one more time. Maybe you have already recognized this word on the right side. It is 月. So there's a sun and there's a moon. So one time, one day circle, then you go to the next day. So tomorrow, 明. But however, this 明 also means bright. So like very bright, 明亮. Okay, another example word, it is time, 时. 时. Well, it is actually the same as pronunciation for the number 10. It's also 时, but here the character is different. 时, let's see. Well, again, the same radical on the left, 日, and then this is on the right side part. Let's write it one more time. Okay, so this is 时. So 时间, it is time. If I want to say when, at what time, it could be 什么时候. So for the time there, we have two words. Yeah, so if you want to say I don't have time, that would be 我没有时间. 我没有时间. 没有 as don't have. Well, up to this lesson, well, I should know the words don't have. 没有. Okay, so the next stroke for today, it is the one that I just mentioned here, the 木. This one. So example words, when one is I, so here, so let's write it together. This is 木字旁. 木字旁. Then let's do. Okay, put it in the paper. Okay, here. So 眼. A radical here, and then the 横折, 横, 竖提, 撇, 捺. Oh, I said everything in Chinese, the name of each stroke, yeah? Okay, so let me write it one more time. This is 眼. Okay, and then another example word for this one is to sleep. To sleep. So for this one, to sleep, it is 睡. 睡. Well, 睡觉 is to sleep, the full version, but 睡 also means to sleep. So again, when you sleep, you close your eyes, yeah? So it's related to eyes, then related to this word 目. Then let's write one line on the top. Left falling, but it's like falling like this, not like falling like this. Okay, so next word 横, and then we have going down, and then we have one word here, da. So this one's actually a little bit complicated, but I'm sure that you will manage. So let's write it one more time. Okay, so in total there are like 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, but just in the last one is a bit shorter. Let me write bigger here. So this is 睡, and then 睡觉, the 觉, it is right like this. 睡觉. Okay, this is to sleep. Okay, then that is everything for today. Well, by the way, as we learned 明, we also learned 天 from last lesson. So do you remember how to write them now for the word tomorrow? Well, let's write it together here. 明天 tomorrow. 明天 tomorrow. Okay, 好, so that's all for today. And I will see you in my next video for lesson 14, the how to write characters. Have a nice day. Bye bye.